I'm Dr. Leigh Gardner, and I co-teach EH401 with Dr. Ruderman. So this course is our core course for graduate students. All of our graduate students across all of our programs take it. And it's designed to introduce students to what it means to be an economic historian. So we look at the big questions and themes that have informed economic history research, everything from the role of states and governments to looking at inequality and social mobility, or the role of gender in shaping economic outcomes. And we start by thinking about the theoretical frameworks that social scientists use to address these things. And then we try to look at how economic historians specifically have tried to look at these sort of issues in the past. So what sort of sources and methods they've used.
So for me, the most exciting part of this course to teach is the range, both in terms of content and in terms of methods. We try to give students exposure to the classics and economic history, and then also to the latest research. So for example, we look at the question of institutions, which is kind of a bedrock in economic history, and then also at the question of big data and some of the opportunities and challenges that come with linking large data sets. And it's really our idea, it's really to give students kind of a solid foundation for other coursework and hopefully an inspiration for their own research.
What this course does is equip students with a set of tools they can use to understand how the world we know today emerged over time. So this might include, for example, understanding how we calculate things like GDP per capita, or looking at economic growth over different periods and regions, and then comparing those patterns of economic growth to understand differences between places and how those emerged. So this course covers a lot of ground, there's a lot of variety, but what we aim to do is have students in the end come away with a set of ideas and a set of tools they can use to address big questions that interest them about the world as we know it today.